Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Cristian Medina, and in this video I want to talk about something that happened to me 2 days ago. Talking about the past. 2 days ago, or the day before yesterday, I went shopping with my sisters and my mom. While I was walking and looking for the things I was going to buy, I saw two people speaking English, so I stopped to listen to them and of course to speak with them too, because I wanted to practice my English with native English speakers. When I went to those people, I asked them if I could speak English with them for a while, because I was an English student and I wanted to improve my English and communication skill. They told me that of course I could speak English with them, that there wasn't any problem. So I started the conversation by asking them questions about their countries, the place they were from, and they told me they were from USA. I was really happy because it was the first time I spoke English with people from other countries, or from other countries in this case. So it was a really good experience that I will never forget, and that was a really special moment for me. My mom saw me speaking English with them, so she got really happy. My sister got really happy too. I was really excited. The guys told me that my English was really good and that I had to keep improving my English. And well, teacher, this is all I want to say about my experience. I hope you like it and I hope you can understand. See you next time. Bye bye.